In this session, let us learn about Python list or array methods. Python has a set of built-in methods that you can use on lists or arrays. Append method adds an element at the end of the list. Clear method removes all the elements from the list. Copy method returns a copy of the list. Count method returns the number of elements with a specified value. Extend method adds the elements of a list or any iterable to the end of the current list. Index method returns the index of the first element with the specified values. Insert method adds an element at the specified position. Pop method removes the elements at the specified position. Remove method removes the first item with the specified value. Reverse method reverses the order of the list. Sort method sorts the list. Python does not have built-in support for arrays, but Python lists can be used instead. Okay friends, this is the end of part 3, Python lists or array methods. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python dictionary, tuples and sets methods. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.